YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiara. Today I decided to do a green, yellow, and blue look. So if you want to see how I created this, then please keep on watching. First, I'm priming my lids with the LA Girl Pro Primer, and then I'm going to blend it out with my finger. I'm going in with this light blue shade around my crease, and then I'm going to blend it out. Underneath that light blue, I'm going in with a darker blue, and then I'm going to blend that out. Next, I'm going to pack this green shade on my lid. Now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer as a base before I put the yellow shadow up there. Now I'm packing on this yellow eyeshadow. Before I add on the glitter, I'm going to be using this NYX glitter primer on my lid as a base to ensure the glitter stays in place, and then I'm going to put that on in sections. Using this green glitter pigment, and I'm just dabbing it where I placed the primer. And I'm going to do the same exact thing for the yellow in the center and the green on the other side, and also I'm going to go around the yellow on the top to connect both of the greens together. On this part, I got a little ahead of myself and I went ahead and put primer under my eyelids before I did my liner. So right here, I'm drawing my wing liner, and I messed up on the shape, so a little bit later you guys will see me cleaning that up with a Q-tip. And once I finish my liner, I'm going to blend out the primer underneath my eyes. The first color I'm going to be using on my lower lash line is that dark blue from earlier, and on top of that dark blue I'm going to be using the lighter blue. And to remove some of that extra glitter before I do my foundation, I'm just using some makeup remover. I'm priming my face with my MAC primer, and then I'm going to be using my NARS foundation. here I'm blending out that shadow a little bit more and extending it in the direction that my liner is going. To highlight, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and to contour, I'm going to be using my Black Radiance Contour Stick. On my waterline, I'm using a white eyeliner. This is the Urban Decay highlighter in the shade Aura. To go over my lashes, I'm using my MAC Extreme Dimension Waterproof Mascara. To outline my lips, I'm using my brown liquid lipstick, and in the center I'm going to be using a pink nude lipstick. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. If you have any comments, leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.